This is the HT30. It's really a nice smartwatch. You got all these different controls, which includes a flashlight built into it, and if that wasn't enough, a second flashlight right here, which is actually for currency counterfeit prevention. Simply shine the light on the currency itself, and you'll see it'll start to glow. It's a money authenticator flashlight. Never seen that before. All the other standard controls, Bluetooth calling from this one, music streaming, nice speaker in it as well. You've got your step count information for the day and a very nice presentation together with your 24-hour steps and your last 7 days worth of track records. You go in here, you get heart rate information. It'll measure your current heart rate in the back and give you the last 7 days and a 24-hour chart if you want. Last night's sleep information is here as well with 7-day total and your average over that period. Weather forecast in your area, Fahrenheit, centigrade, and the current conditions are there. You got a built-in music player, streaming music from your phone if you want to, and all of your different workout information here as well. You can go into any of these and set up a full-on workout procedure. You can add or subtract those as necessary if you'd like as well. When you tap here, you get into your overall different apps, and there's a bunch of them. All the standard ones are in here. Your phone calling, contacts, call records, all that's there. You have Google Voice Assistant and Siri, depending on whether you're tied to an iPhone or Android. Many other things, your workouts, heart rate. You also have blood oxygen and blood pressure here, which weren't on the cards on the side. Weather, female tracking information, breath training and stopwatches and timers. But hey, this is the fun part when you get down here. Past the business cards and collection codes for all of your social media, you have an SOS function, which is fun, lights up the light, sounds a siren, and should be able to call a person that you set up through the phone if you're paired. And you got ErnieBot. ErnieBot is a special AI from China that you haven't heard before. We show that in the full review. Different games in here, and of course a compass is built into it as well. And you can program the side buttons to do things like launch the compass, come back to the main screen, turn it on, turn it off. All these are separately programmable. Variety of different watch faces that are stock in here. Beautiful, colorful ones. And you can download some from the Watch Face store if you'd like to as well. It comes actually with 2 different bands. There's this nice rubberized band, and it comes with a metal band, all for the same low price. Check it out. It is the HT30 with flashlight and currency authenticator built into it.